Today I'm thrilled to share you with a comprehensive 44-point checklist to help you grow hack your Instagram account. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your existing profile, these strategies will set you on the path to Instagram success. So let's get started. First things first, let's optimize your Instagram profile to make it as appealing as and effective as possible. Number 1, profile picture. Use a high quality recognizable profile picture. For brands, use a logo that's clear and easily identifiable. Choose a username that's easy to remember and search for. Keep your handle consistent across social media platforms if possible. Write a compelling bio that clearly states who you are and what you do. Use keywords relevant to your niche for better discoverability. Utilize tools like Linktree or a similar service to include multiple links. Update your bio link regularly to reflect new content or promotions. Ensure your contact information is up to date and easily accessible. Add email or phone details if relevant for business accounts. Next up, let's talk about content. Having a solid content strategy is crucial for growth. Plan and schedule your posts in advance using a content calendar. Ensure a mix of content types, that is, photos, videos, carousels, and stories. Focus on creating high quality, engaging content. Invest in good visuals and editing to maintain a professional look. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Find a balance that works for you, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi weekly. Write engaging captions that encourage interaction. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase your content's reach. Mix popular and niche hashtags for better visibility. Tag relevant accounts and locations in your post. Engage with tagged users to build relationships and expand your reach. Engagement is key to growing your Instagram account. Here's how you can enhance it. Respond to comments and direct messages promptly. Run giveaways or contests to boost engagement and attract new followers. Partner with influencers in your niche for shout out or collaborations. Regularly post Instagram stories to engage with your audience. Host live sessions to connect with your audience in real time. Encourage your followers to create content related to your brand. Now let's dive into strategies that can help you grow your account faster. Regularly review Instagram insights to understand what works. Post when your audience is most active for maximum engagement. Invest in Instagram ads to reach a broader audience. Create and share engaging reels to tap into new audiences. Engage with other accounts and communities related to your niche. Promote your Instagram account on other social media platforms. Include Instagram links in your email signature and newsletter. Use highlights to showcase important content and stories. Finally, let's explore some tools and resources that can support your Instagram growth. Use tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later for scheduling and analytics. Monitor performance and manage your post efficiently. Utilize Canva or Adobe Spark for creating visually appealing content. Use tools like Sprout Social, Iconosquare for deeper analytics, track growth metrics, and optimize based on data insights. Explore tools like Growthack or Inflect for account growth strategies. Stay updated with Instagram's official blogs and updates. And that's a wrap on our 44-point checklist to growth hack your Instagram account. Implement these strategies to enhance your profile, engage with your audience, and accelerate your growth.